Good day everyone. We will present the portable fire extinguishers used on board. These are important safety equipment used to control fires before they become dangerous. The three main types are CO2, dry chemical, powder, and fluid.
First, the dry chemical powder extinguisher can be used on solid materials, flammable liquids, and electrical fires. It works by stopping the chemical reaction of fire. It is very effective, but leaves powder that can make a mess and damage the equipment.
Third, the foam fire extinguisher. The foam fire extinguisher is used for fuel, oil, and other flammable fluids fires. It works by covering and burning by liquid and blocking oxygen. Foam should not use on electrical fire because it causes electrical shock.
Second, the CO2 fire extinguisher. The CO2 fire extinguisher is mainly used for electrical fires and flammable liquids. It works by removing oxygen, which stops the fire from burning. It does not leave residue, but it must be used carefully because CO2 oxygen can cause suffocation in those areas.
This is how to use a foam fire extinguisher with the fast method. First, P is fold the pin, and A for aim the base of the fire extinguisher. Here. And second is S. Squeeze the handle, and S swung from the side to side. And that's all. Thank you.
Fire extinguisher on ships are strategically located at exits, near cabin doors or in corridors, and at entrance to high-risk areas like the engine room and galley to ensure easy access while allowing for safe evacuation. The number required depends on vessel size and regulations, but generally requires at least one 5B unit near potential fire sources.
Safety reminders. Always check the pressure gauge, seal, and expiry date of the extinguisher. Never use the wrong type of extinguisher on the wrong fire because it can make the fire burst or cause injury.
Importance on board. Fire is one of the biggest dangers on ship. Portable fire extinguisher allow crew member to act quickly before the fire spread and cause serious damage.
To summarize, CO2 extinguisher for electrical and flammable liquid fires. Dry chemical powder extinguisher for most types of fires. Foam extinguisher for fuel and oil fires. Knowing the right extinguisher can save lives in the ship.
Thank you for listening. We hope this presentation helped you understand the importance and proper use of portable fire extinguisher on board the ship. Stay safe and always be ready.